Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm actually going to be doing a monthly favorites. I haven't done one of these in a while. I kind of forgot about these kind of videos, to be honest. I've been kind of trying to do some different things on my channel, and yeah, I've just been kind of trying to keep up with things, but I haven't done one of these in like a really long time. So I'm actually going to share with you not necessarily only nail products. I'm going to be sharing some stuff that I actually got from the Body Shop that I use on my feet that I've been really enjoying, and then some nail polishes and different stuff too. It's still all like pretty much nail related anyways, but yeah, so I'm going to show you some stuff that I have really been enjoying for the month of June. So just products that I've been kind of using or I've really liked, or my kind of go-tos, I guess. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first products here are from the Body Shop. I actually order a lot of stuff from the Body Shop. I really enjoy their products. So I recently started trying, I guess it's been a month or more, the Body Shop peppermint line. I've always seen this in the stores and I never really tried it because I had other foot products and different stuff that I used, but I've been really loving this. I really like the smell of peppermint, and it's so fresh and it's cooling and stuff like that for the summer, so it's perfect because I'm always on my feet at work, and I'm finding that this is actually really working really well because it makes your feet kind of like rejuvenated and not as tired and stuff like that. So they have 3 products in the line. So the first one I have is their reviving pumice foot scrub. So you just use water and you use it like a scrub. It looks like that. It's kind of, you don't really need a lot, which is great. I've had this for a while and I haven't used a whole lot yet. I do have a backup. Oh no, I haven't got a backup of this, but I got something else. So this is the peppermint reviving pumice foot scrub, and you can get it from the Body Shop. And then the next one I have is peppermint cooling and reviving foot spray. So you just kind of spray it on your feet when your feet are kind of like hot or tired, and it's nice and cooling. It doesn't last like a whole long time, but it's good, and it actually makes your feet kind of feel refreshed and stuff. So all of this stuff actually has essential oil from Norfolk, England. I really like essential oils. And then the last product I have here is the Intensive Cooling Foot Rescue. I usually put this on at night before I'm going to bed, or if I've used that pumice foot cream, I try to use that on after as well. So this is kind of like what it looks like. It's actually kind of pink. I use this quite a bit. This is my first one, but I bought this first, and then I got the other stuff because I kind of got a whole pack of it together. And I have 2 of these creams, one for backup because I got the pumice scrub, the cooling spray, and then I got a little file thing from the Body Shop in a little bag. So I definitely recommend them. I am not sponsored or anything by the Body Shop, but I think their products are pretty good. So definitely try that if you enjoy the smell of peppermint and if you need like a refresher for your feet. So next I have 2 stampers. So I have a stamper, this is the clear stamper from Beauty Big Bang. I did get this sent as a review, but I really like it. It's a good size and you can see well through it. There's no little plastic divider there, and it also has a lid, so pretty good. I did a review on this a little while ago. I can try and find the video to link down below. And then I have this one here. This is the Queen Cosmetics clear stamper. I purchased this at Walmart in the States. You can't get this stuff here, unfortunately, in Canada, but it works really well. I tried it out in a video with stamping and stuff, and I really like it, so definitely recommend those 2. Next, I have a nail polish. This is from Miss Sparkle. I actually got this in my Dinosaur My Mani box, which I just posted last week, I guess, depending on when this video goes up. It is a really pretty polish. It is gorgeous. It has little green flecks in it and stuff like that. So this one is called Fallen Kingdom. This is my Mani box, May 2018. And then it came with a little magnet, which actually works really well. Pretty impressed with this magnet. And then that is the swatch of that. It looks really cool. It's definitely a neat color. So 3 nail polishes I've been kind of trying. This one I got in the States as well. This is the Nail Medic Force Field Nail Protector and Hardener. It's actually been kind of working pretty well, but I've been trying to restore my nails. They've been kind of getting peeling and all that stuff, probably because all the nail polishes I use, and then I wash my hands a lot. So I tried this out. And then I also have another Beauty Big Bang polish. Probably seen this before. This one is called, I think it's just 009, but it is so pretty. I'm really into that like flaky, like metallic-y kind of look right now. It seems to be in a lot of the polishes, so I'm really into that right now. And then I have a recent new polish. This is from Girly Bits. This was from the India Expo. This is called Very Important Polish. I currently have this on my toenails. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love this color. It is so pretty, but it's quite a bold color, but I like classic colors. But yeah, so that is everything I have for my June favorites. I hope you liked this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.